Good morning, Year 10. I hope you and your families are all doing okay. I thought I'd come on here and do a virtual assembly with you all because every Friday was our assembly. So I'm going to come on, share some success stories and give you a few announcements of what's been going on. So I've got a few notes here, so if I do look down, that's why. So we're going to talk a little bit about now how to access the learning platform and how to get in touch with staff if you don't know, and how to obviously access emails first. So if you just want to come over to the laptop here, this is the main page of the website when you get on here. And if you go up to this learning tab here, click that. That will let you access your emails. So your username will be whatever you logged into the computer at school, and your password will be the same. If you are having problems with that, please get your parents to email myself or Miss Atkin, and we'll be able to sort out your password for you. So when you do get into your emails, to construct an email, you will see this format, which is just loading at the moment. So if you've not sent one before, you can put in the to section is obviously the person you send it to. That might be a teacher, myself, Miss Atkin. So you start by typing in the surname in there and it should come up. Obviously, you need to put a subject in there, so it could just be hello. It could be something to do with your work. It could be a problem that you've got. And then in the bit down here, you would obviously type in your message that you want to get to us. If you want to attach any work or documents, you click this paperclip option here, and then you'll be able to attach it, and it'll bring up a file folder. And then at the bottom, you just hit that send button, and you should get that as well. So that's just a quick, brief stop of how to get onto your emails and how to construct an email. To get onto the learning platform, there's a big tab now on the main page of the website that says click here. You cannot miss it. Go on there, click that, and that will load up the learning platform for you to find out about what subjects you need to look at. Go and click on there, go into the Year 10 folders and have a look. If you're looking for a particular member of staff's email and you're a little bit unsure, or parents or who you live with want to have a look at this, go onto the About Us section, click on staff list, and on there is every member of staff, both teaching and support staff, that you might need in order to find out about email addresses and so on there. So that's a little bit about the admin side and things that I want you to have a go at. If you've not logged on to email, can I urge that you all log on at some point and send myself or Miss Atkin an email just to let us know that you're on there and everything's fine. If you are experiencing any problems or anything like that with access, please get your parents to email us, or whoever you're living with to email us, and we will sort that out as soon as we can. Now, moving on to some amazing work. Now, the people that have been logging in, and I know there's been some awesome stuff going on. I had an email with Miss Faulkner the other day, and we were discussing, obviously, some amazing people, and she'd met with a team virtually online, and they've been discussing and shouting out a lot of Year 10 names that have been doing some amazing stuff. So I want to share that with you today. So a massive well done to Charlotte Hinds, Lily Gill, Destiny Benton, Isabel Murphy, Dane Cooper, Lucy Guilfoy, Sophia Wilkinson, Lucinda Vincent, James Hackleton, Adam Foster, Neve Duty, Jack Huxley, Megan Clark, Megan Beardsall, Tom Smith, Tammy Dawson, Madison Shaw, James Llewellyn and Kelly Norton. Well done on your hard work in English. There's also some extra shout outs for the Film and Media Study students who's been doing well. That's Cullen Little, Megan Beardsall and Thomas March. Incredible stuff, well done. And also I had a message from Mr Whiteman. Pretty much all of his OCR sports class are just a handful of you that's not been logging in online yet, which we're going to try and get to and get in touch with you over the next couple of days. But he wanted to say how well and responsive you've been and really engaging in that learning that's been going off on there, because obviously that is part of your coursework and we don't want to miss out. And obviously time will be difficult, so we're trying to keep up on that at the moment and trying to keep on top of that, particularly those coursework subjects and those core subject areas, to get involved with that. So that's some amazing work, and well done to those students that's been getting on. I just want to now talk to you a little bit about some other things that's going on that you might want to get included in and get involved in. Is Miss Wilson's running a store cupboard cooking challenge. So this is about maybe you cooking for your families and the people that you're living with those ingredients at the back of the cupboard in the bottom of the freezer that's not being used for a while, getting them out and creating something amazing. Now, I looked on Twitter the other day, Miss Wilson put something on there about Jacob in Year 8 who created this noodle soup with all that, and he'd won a fruit and veg hamper, and he was in Year 8. It would be great to see some of you Year 10s getting involved in that project as well. So have a go. I'd love to see some of your names involved in that competition. And I know that there's some incredible hospitality students when I've been in when we have been in school, and I've been going around, particularly in year 10, who'll come up with some amazing pieces of work for Miss Wilson. So let's see some more names getting involved in that perhaps. So well done. Just a reminder that all staff are online, okay? They're all on email, so they're there to take any of your messages. If you need any help with any work or you're wanting any advice on anything, please get in touch with them. Particularly myself and Miss Atkin, if you've not been in touch with one of us, please get in touch so we know that you're online and things have been going all right for you and you've been accessing things okay. So, if you've not been online, just to recap, please email me or Miss Atkin. That's important that you do that for us. So that's pretty much it for this week. I just want to say, look after yourself. If you've got any hobbies that's going off, or this might be an opportunity to try something new. I know some of the people like on YouTube, maybe learning a language, things like that. Get involved maybe in something different, okay? Keep washing your hands. I might need to have some advice next week on how to cut your hair at home. But I hope you're all well. Stay safe this week, and I'll see you all next Friday.